The York YZ uses advanced magnetic bearing technology to provide extraordinary reliability and radically simplified maintenance. With just a single moving assembly levitating in a magnetic field, the driveline in the York YZ doesn't require any lubrication and has 80% fewer moving parts than traditional oil or refrigerant lubricated drivelines. Although every chiller requires maintenance, the non-contact design of the York YZ driveline delivers dramatically reduced maintenance costs over the life of the chiller. Driveline maintenance required on complex oil or refrigerant lubricated systems drives up costs significantly, up to 150% of the initial cost of the chiller itself. With simplified driveline maintenance, ongoing expenses equate to less than 10% of the initial chiller cost, which is why the York YZ is simply unrivaled in savings over the lifetime of the chiller.
York, high-performance environments for life.